Hey everyone, today we'll be looking at Envoy Workplace Tutorial for Beginners, Streamline Office Management and Visitor Check-in. What if managing visitors, optimizing office space, and ensuring employee safety could all happen seamlessly with just a few clicks? Welcome to Envoy.com, a platform that is transforming how modern workspaces operate. From streamlining visitor check-ins to optimizing desk bookings and room management, Envoy is here to simplify and secure your office environment, making it smarter, safer, and more efficient for everyone. Whether you are a tech giant or a growing startup, Envoy has the tools to help your workspace run smoothly and impressively. Scrolling down, you'll see the phrase leading workplaces and properties rely on Envoy. This highlights the top companies and properties trust Envoy to streamline operations, manage visitors, and enhance employee experiences, reinforcing its role as a trusted workplace management solution. Let us go back at the top, and here's a thorough breakdown of the sections of Envoy.com. Number 1. Products. The Products section highlights Envoy's core tools designed to simplify office operations. This includes visitor management, desk booking, meeting room reservations, and workplace security. It acts as your digital office assistant, tracking who's in, who is coming, and where everyone's sitting, so your day runs smoothly without the chaos. Number 2. Solutions. The Solutions section explains how Envoy's tools address specific workplace challenges, like managing hybrid schedules, enhancing building access, and improving employee experiences. It is where you find real-world applications of their products, helping offices run smarter, not harder. Number 3. Resources. Resources is essentially the go-to knowledge hub for anyone looking to dive deeper into the world of workplace management. Here, you'll find case studies, white papers, blogs, and maybe even a webinar or two that will help you learn how to make the most of Envoy's offerings. Before, About. In the About section, Envoy gives you the lowdown on who they are, their mission, and the philosophy driving their innovations. It is where you will learn about their core values, their commitment to quality, and how they are changing the way we think about the workplace, one click at a time. Number 5, pricing. Finally, the pricing section is where really checks in. But don't worry, invoice transparent pricing will save you from sticker shock. To be specific, they have basic free, and we will try that later. In standard, $109 per location or month. In premium, $329 per location or month. In enterprise, custom pricing. Here are the benefits of each pricing and plans. To start your free trial with Envoy, click Start a Free Trial and create an account. Enter accurate information, then click Next. On the following screens, provide basic details about your company. When asked what brings you to Envoy, select all relevant options. This helps Envoy tailor its recommendations. Continue clicking Next through the setup steps until you reach your dashboard. Number 1. Home. This is your command center, the first screen you see after logging in. It gives you a quick summary of everything: upcoming reservations, visitor arrivals, and office stats. Think of it like your digital front door where you get the What's Happening Today overview. How to use it. Just log in, and you are on home. Scroll to see upcoming events, who is expected today, and quick links to other sections. It is like your morning briefing, minus the awkward small talk. Number 2. Your schedule. This section tracks your desk or room reservations and office attendance, ideal for managing hybrid work. How to use it? Select a date to book or cancel a desk. Update your in-office status or sync with your calendar for better planning. Number 3. Visitors. This is your digital guest book, but cooler. It shows you who is visiting the office, when and why. You can pre-register guests, send them invites, and get notified when they arrive. How to use it. To register a guest, just click Add Visitor, fill in their details, and select a date or time. The guest gets an email with everything they need, including Wi-Fi info, maps, etc. When they arrive, you'll get a ping. Smooth, right? Number 4, virtual front desk. It is like a receptionist, but virtual. This tool allows visitors to check in using a tablet, phone, or kiosk. Great for unmanned lobbies or touchless entry. How to use it? Set it up on a tablet at your front desk. Customize the welcome screen, check-in flow, and what info guests need to provide. You can even ask them to sign an NDA before entering, like a digital bouncer. Number 5, Workplace. This is the central hub for all your workplace settings, where you manage things like capacity limits, health checks, and who can come into the office. How to use it? Admins can set office hours, approval flows for entry, and safety requirements. Think of this as your office rulebook and control panel all in one. Number 6, Desk. Want to know where you are sitting next Tuesday? This is the place. Desk lets you reserve workspaces, see who's sitting where, and manage availability. How to use it? Click on a floor map, choose your spot, and hit reserve. You can filter by amenities too. So yes, you can book the desk near the window with a good sunlight and zero printer noise. Number 7, Rooms. No more awkward hallway standouts for meeting rooms. This section lets you book, manage, and then check availability for conference rooms. How to use it? Pick a room, check the time slots, and book it. You can add meeting details, invite colleagues, and even connect to Google or Outlook calendars to avoid double bookings. Number 8, Deliveries. Never lose a package again. This tool logs deliveries, notifies recipients, and tracks pickups. How to use it? Scan packages when they arrive, using the Envoy app or desktop. Employees get a ping and can mark it pickup once they collect it. No more mystery Amazon boxes piling up at reception. Number 9, Analytics. The number nerds will love this. Here you get insights into office usage, visitor trends, space occupancy, and more. Perfect for making data-driven workplace decisions. How to use it? Browse by category, visitors, desk, employees, export reports, or filter by day. Use this info to plan capacity, improve flow, or show off how efficient your office is. And that is all there is on Envoy Workplace Tutorial for Beginners. Streamline office management and visitor check-in. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.